So yesterday, I finally brought Sky to Star City. So first time niya here, kahit born and raised siya dito sa Pasay. Nakakatuwa kasi isa ito sa mga places na halos every Pasayenyo has visited at least once. Sabi nga nila, hindi ka tunay taga Pasay kung hindi ka pa nakakapunta sa Star City. Kaya ayun, we're finally crossing it off the list. Let's go! So ayun, bumili muna kami ng tickets. Akala ko makakatipid ako kasi ang plan ko, bibili lang ako ng isang ride all you can ticket para kay Sky, tapos entrance fee lang yung babayaran ko. Kaso pagdating namin doon, hindi na pala siya available. So wala na rin silang student and senior discount.
Guys, wala na pala ditong entrance lang. Ano na siya, isa na lang yung babayaran. So it's gonna be mahal for us. Wait a minute. Ah, you want that toy? Later we will go there. Okay. Put your seatbelt on. Sky. Hi. Hi, Kakay. Ayan na, abang di pa tayo umandar. Kasi bawal daw pang umandar. Are you excited? Tapos later we go there, okay? Wait lang, dahan-dahan, baby. Go, go.
So all in all, we had so much fun. Hindi ko na-expect na matatakot pala ako dun sa giant Ferris wheel. And one thing I realized, hindi na talaga ako kasing energetic nung bata pa ako. Dati parang kaya naming ikutin ng mga kapatid ko tong buong Star City nang hindi napapagod. Ngayon, napapahanap na talaga ako ng upuan. Pero on the other side, seeing Bubu enjoy every moment made it all worth it. Here's to more memories, more adventures, and a brighter life. See you on the next one. Bye!